In this video, I'll guide you through how to select properties to show on record association cards in HubSpot. If you're looking to customize what you see when associating records in HubSpot, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make your HubSpot interface even more tailored to your needs. First, you'll want to start by finding your way to the settings. To do this, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the top navigation bar of HubSpot. Clicking this will take you to the settings menu where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to the objects section. This is where you'll be able to select the specific object you want to edit. For example, if you're looking to adjust the properties for your contacts, you'll select contacts. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working with the right set of data and associations. Now, direct your attention to the record customization tab. This is where you can make adjustments to how different records are displayed within HubSpot. Clicking on this tab will open up more options for you to customize the display of your records. Next up, you'll be looking at the Edit View section. You'll need to click on the default view, or if you have a specific team view that you're working with, select that one. Choosing the right view is important because it determines which set of properties you're going to be editing and displaying. Once you've selected your view, scroll down to the right sidebar section. This area is key because it houses the associations card. In particular, you'll want to find the associations card for the object you're interested in changing. For instance, if you're working with deals, look for the associated deals card. When you find the appropriate associations card, look for the edit icon. This might appear as a pencil or sometimes as 3 dots that you can click to reveal an edit option. Clicking this will allow you to modify which properties are shown on the association cards. Make sure to carefully choose the properties that you find most useful for your workflow. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your record association cards in HubSpot. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how efficiently you can manage your associations, ultimately enhancing your productivity. Remember, HubSpot is all about making your CRM experience as seamless as possible, and these customizations are just one of the many ways you can tailor it to better fit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks for optimizing your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.